Okay, so this is part 2 of right and left parabolas. I want you to actually do it. Find the VOA x-intercept and the y-intercept and graph it for me, please. I would appreciate it. So freeze the video and then graph it. Then turn me back on. Okay, my peeps. So vertex, this would be 1. I almost messed up again. Mercy. 0, 1. Ooh-hoo. It opens right. And the axis is y equals 1. Wow, I almost messed up again. I don't know why on that. Notice that's also our y-intercept. Yes, it is. So you can say y-intercept is 1 by graph. Just to say, hey, that's how I found it. So then the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y. So you'd have x equals 0 minus 1 is negative 1 squared is 1. So put a dot at 1. But if there's a dot 1 unit below, there's a dot 1 unit above. So, okay, we're going to have to do the ever popular plug and chug. I know what happens when y is 0, and I know what happens 0, 1, and 2. So let's put in 3 for the y. So I'd have x equals 3 minus 1 squared, x equals 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 squared. So I know we have a point at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. If there's a dot 2 units above, there has to be a dot 2 units below. And here's my graph. Now, what's the domain? X is greater than or equal to 0. And what's the range? All reals. Hoo-hoo. Problem 2. Go ahead, find the VOA, x-intercept, y-intercept, and graph it for me, please. So freeze the video, do it, and then turn me back on. Okay, let's see if I can actually get the vertex right on the first try. Mercy. -4, -2. Hey, yay, yay. How's it open? Well, this one opens to the right also. And the axis is y equals -2. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. -2 would be down. So let's do the x-intercept. Let's put 0 in here. 0 plus 2 is 2. Squared is 4 times 4 is 16. So subtract 4. So the x-intercept would be at 12. Mercy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And notice it's way down there because you got a 4 for your A. It's really multiplying this thing. So then if there's a 0.2 units above, there's got to be a 0.2 units below. Now let's do the y-intercept. Put 0 in for x. 4 equals 4, y plus 2 squared. Divide by 4. So square root both sides, plus or minus 1 equals y plus 2. Now, it should be obvious to you by now that there's 2 y-intercepts because it's opening to the right. Subtract 2. So it'd be -1 or -3. So yowzer, yowzer. Now, we know it couldn't be up here because we already got your x-intercept. So, whoa, whoa, there. And Wow, this thing is stretched out. Well, that's not the best graph I've ever done, but hey, it's something. Now, what's the domain? X is greater than or equal to -4. What's your range? All reals. So hopefully you got those both right. We're doing circles next. Ooh-hoo.